to the waterfall. It's going to be about a 10-minute walk. We will be going straight there. Now we're just backtracking, passing everything we've already seen and talked about, so I don't have anything new to show you guys to get to the other side. If you all do think of any questions, just yell for me and let me know. If you forgot, my name's Liv. Just yell for me. You guys follow me. You guys can head on down here. Just meet me back here whenever you're ready to go. Once everybody's back, we'll head upstairs together.
Exactly like the Goonies waterfall. Don't touch the ceiling.